Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up for a Laundryheap driver. First, you will need to go to laundryheap.com. As once you do that, you can see here that there is an option to apply as a cleaning partner. Once you click that, you will go into this website, right to this application, and you would basically need to fill in your particulars such as your country, name of your city, registered business name, postcode, emails, and your phone number. You also need to indicate your profile, as you can see right here, what days you are open, how many washers you have, dryers, and so on and so forth. Once you've filled out this form, you can click submit and wait for the response. Once you have submitted your application, you will go through an automated onboarding process that can be completed in as little as 30 to 60 minutes, and you can stop and return to the process at any time. You can also check out websites like howtothomas.info, where you can start the application here, and you will need to fill in similar particulars such as your name, email, phone number, and provide information on what services you can offer. As part of the onboarding process, do keep in mind of the requirements. You must be aged 18 and older, have a valid driver's license, own or rent a vehicle, as you will be asked about what type of vehicle you drive, valid vehicle insurance, as well as being required to undergo a background check. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.